Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here before the video to say, wow, you guys are awesome. In the past week, our subscriber count has gone up. Our view count, our videos have gone up as well. We're shocked. We're grateful. Thank you so very much. Also, the video that I'm about to show you, please do not try this at home. I did this, then I got sick for about a week. Actually, a little more than a week. I didn't do my research. It was an epic fail. Please, I beg you, do not do this at home. You will get sick without doing the proper research. So, let's get to the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? Crash Outdoors here, and today we are back at the lake here. And last video I said that we're gonna do pine needle tea. Well, that didn't happen. So I promised you guys we'll do it next time, and here we are. We got the lake. We got plenty of pine needles. The weather is cooperating with us for the most part. Let's see if we can get that drone footage as well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got my trusty pot here. Let's go down and get some water. Now, normally I wouldn't do this. I would actually bring bottled water, but I trust this lake. It's a very clean lake. So I know I'm gonna be boiling the water for a while. So this is the only time I would do this. It'll be fine. So let's go get the water. Whoa. Whew. There we go. Whew. Got it. All right. Now to get back up. All right, guys, got the water right there. That was hard. I got wet. Let's get up here and do this. Okay, guys, so while our water is starting to boil, I need to go get some pine needles. Now, they're all around us. So let's go look for the right ones. Let's go. I think we found some here. All right, guys, so for the rest of this video, I'm going to be doing it on my GoPro, so hopefully the audio comes out and it's perfect. It might have some background noise because you got the lake and it is getting kind of windy. So, whoa, it is boiling over. Let's turn this guy off. So, as you can see, the water has boiled. It's been boiling for quite some time. Since we did take it out of the lake and since we did not have a filter, you must boil your water for a little while. It has been boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pine needles, take a knife, and we're gonna cut them up, put them back in the water, and we're just gonna let it steep for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then we'll come back. So just cut your pine needles like so. Put them in the water. Like so here. Okay, that didn't work out right. It's okay. It's quite all right. Just gonna put them all in there. Shut this up. And come back to it in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I let it steep for about 10 minutes. So let's get the pine needles out of the water, put the water in a cup, and see how it tastes. Okay, so I got all the pine needles out. Hopefully it tastes good. You know, it has a very interesting tint to it. It's greenish, pale, white. I don't know, let's try it. Hopefully I don't get sick here. Well, it smells earthy. Bottoms up. Yeah, I'll try it again. It is quite earthy, and you know, I'm probably gonna revisit this a little later on down the road, do a little bit more research and see. Maybe I used the wrong pine needles, I don't know, but this tastes nasty. Yeah. So unfortunately, it didn't turn out. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Hey, you know what? Today, we learned. We didn't lose, we learned. So hey, chalk it up as a learning experience. I'm gonna come back next time and do this totally different, but I'm gonna go do some more research. So next time's gonna be a whole lot better. So for now, we're just gonna sit here, watch the sunset, and that's it. You guys have a good night, good day, wherever you are in the world. You know, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We can't do this without your support. And we'll see you next time. Later.